Hi, and welcome to our first ZENPLOT video tutorial. Today, I'd like to show how to use a second axis in your visualizations with ZENPLOT. Quantitative data may use different scales, which makes it tricky to represent them within the same chart. One solution could be to standardize the data in order to use a common scale for the different variables. However, the new standardized variables can be harder to interpret, and your audience might be disoriented if they're not familiar with this kind of statistical process. ZENPLOT gives you another solution. Use two different axes to represent quantitative variables with different scales. In this example, we would like to represent both the passenger variable, varying from 100 to 600, and its log function, varying from 1 to 6. The log passengers variable is crushed at the bottom of the graph. But if I click on the Axis Options button and use a second axis for the y-axis, then the two variables are displayed on the same chart with two different scales available. Don't hesitate to subscribe to our ZENPLOT YouTube channel for more visualization tips. Thanks for watching.